Hi guys. So I am here to give you guys my initial thoughts slash review. Let me fix this. On a new company, a new product called Creole Belle. Let's see if I can get y'all to. There it is. This particular product in my hand at the moment is called the Jazz It Up curling custard, and that is the main product that I used to do these twists that we have going on right now. So if you have seen me on Instagram on my stories lately, I just added these little charms just to make these twists look like something while they were baking. And now that they are done loading, I'm gonna go ahead and take these down. So you guys are going to basically see my initial thoughts. I've never used this product before, and I'm going to go ahead and just take a couple down for you, let you see what I think about it, and then I'm going to show you the final look, and then we can really jump into my overall review. So there are 3 products. I'm just applying some oil to my hands so I can get ready to take these twists down, but just a little overview of the product line. So there are 3 products that I was sent. That was the co-wash, and I will drop specific names down below, but essentially there was a co-wash, got some of my eye, a hair and body butter, and this curling custard that I showed y'all just a second ago. So I used the co-wash to wash my hair, and then I used a spray leave-in at a recommendation of the owner of the company. So I used this spray leave-in, and then I used the curling custard, and I sealed with coconut oil, and that was basically all I used. So let me see what we got going on here. So we got some good definition. If you guys can see that, I can kind of get a little closer for you. Some very nice definition. I really liked how juicy my hair was right after I finished. And my hair, I think I finished my twists on Thursday. Today is Sunday, and my twists still look good. They're still moisturized. My hair is really soft. So, okay. I'm liking it. Let me get closer so y'all can see the definition that I'm working with. Very, very nice. I like it a lot. I'm gonna take down one more just to show y'all the definition, and then I'm gonna come back after I've separated, because this is not a styling video, this is just a review. So I'm gonna take them all down, separate them, fluff them out, and then I'm gonna come back with the final look for y'all. But yeah, we definitely got some really nice definition going on. So I'm in. So I've taken down all of the twists, and I just wanted to really let y'all get into this good definition and shine before I separate and fluff. So right now I'm really liking my results, because my twist outs have been like super trash lately, like super weak. And I don't know what, I really don't know what it is, because I mean, I'm using products that I would normally use and get good results, and they just ain't been working for me. So I'm hoping that this is the start of a beautiful relationship, because I'm looking for a new styling product, because all of my twist outs have basically been afros. So if you've been seeing me rocking these really big bushy afros, it's because I've been trying twist outs for like the past month, and they just haven't been working. So anyway, this is I just took them down. I haven't separated or anything, so I'm going to separate and fluff, and then I will come back and show y'all the final results. Okay, so this is the results with my hair fully separated and fluffed. I'm liking it. So like I was telling y'all, like the past, I would say for like the past month and a half, my twist outs have just been turning out trash. They haven't been looking, like I haven't been having no definition. It's basically been like an afro with like a little bit of like twist out waves sprinkled in there. But for the most part, like as soon as I take my twist down, my hair was just like poofing. So I am very, very happy with these results. Y'all look at the definition. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes. Okay. So the results are bomb. But I did want to talk about each product kind of individually real quick. So the first product is the co-wash. Like I said, I don't have all the products in front of me, so I cannot recall off the top of my head the like whole name, but it's Creole Belle Organics. I think it's like a detangling co-wash, but anyway, the co-wash is bomb. It's extremely moisturizing and it has really good slip. It's so moisturizing that when I first looked at the ingredient list, I almost thought it was a conditioner. I'm like, is this really going to like wash my hair? But when I use it, there's very little suds. It does like kind of foam up just a little bit, just enough to for you to, you know, kind of feel like it's working. But it's very easy to detangle with this product. I actually used it on Briley's hair with her past wash. Because we're at the moment we're not doing wash condition, we're just doing co-wash because she absolutely hates for me to wash her hair. So I need a product that is going to wash her hair but also moisturize it so that I don't have to, so that when it's finished it's not feeling stripped and dry, because I can't put conditioner in because she won't let me rinse that out. So the co-wash is really moisturizing. It's very gentle. It does cleanse your hair though. Your hair does feel clean, but it doesn't feel stripped. It does feel very moisturizing, and one of the things I love about it is like you can really detangle your hair with this product if you are a shower detangler or a person who detangles their hair while they're washing it. So co-wash A+, love it. It's actually almost gone. I've had it for about a month now and I've pretty much been using it every wash since I got it. Sadly, that's the only thing. Like I think it might be an 8-ounce bottle if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's 8 ounces. And, you know, I got a lot of hair. So, I guess that is kind of one drawback. I don't think it's going to last me much longer. So, I would have to probably buy it if I used it every wash, I would probably have to buy it every month and a half to 2 months. But it's a really good product. Okay, on to the second product, which is the hair and body butter. I don't have it up here, but it looks basically just like this product. It's, I want to say shea and mango butter based. It's a really, really thick butter. I really like it. One of the things that I don't like about it is I think viscous is the word I'm looking for. Like it's very hard to kind of, you know, you got to warm it up in your palms for a while before you can put it on your hair because it's so thick and creamy, which I mean it's a good product, so the end result is good. It's just the initial application, it's like it's somewhat difficult to get it to the point where you are ready to apply it to your hair, because you know how shea butter, if it's not whipped, you gotta kind of rub to warm it up before you apply it. That's basically what it is. So there's nothing wrong with the product. It's just the consistency of the product. You have to kind of like put a little bit of elbow grease into warming the product in your hands before you can apply it to your hair. But it's, oh, and it smells like pralines, so it's bomb. I think one day after I had used it, my husband was like, are you what does this smell like? Did you bake a cake or something? Like, no, it's my hair. Like, you should be used to, like, natural women, we smell like all kinds of juices and berries and cookies and cakes and lemon drops and all this amazing stuff. So it has a very good, very, very nice scent. The last product, which I have here, the Jazz It Up Curling Custard. My first time using it was for this twist out, and as you can see, the definition is like on 10, so I really, really like the final results. one of the reasons why, okay, it's my first time using it in the sense that I've actually styled my hair with it. I tried to use it once before, and this product does not play well with one of the products that I was trying to pair it with. It was like a creamy leave-in, and it was like adding this and a creamy leave-in. I had white flakes immediately, so I just washed my hair again and started over. So, Macy, that's the owner of Macy, the owner of Creole Belle Organics. She's also the owner of Berry Curly. So thank you for sending me these awesome products. But she recommended that when you use this curling custard, that you use a liquid spray leave-in, and as opposed to the cream. So when I use the cream, it was gonna be like Flake City. So I'm glad that I gave it another try with a liquid leave-in, because the results are like super bomb. So I would just definitely say that is, if you do purchase the product and you do want to use it for like you know, a twist out or something like that, I would say use it alone, or you can use it with like a liquid leave-in. But just be careful what you pair it with, because you might end up with some flakes just because of the consistency. I can show you real quick. It's like I guess it's like a custard. I don't really know what custard looks like, but it's like I don't know, almost like a gel, but not really like a gel. Anyway, so yeah, I really like the product. One of the things I'm not the biggest fan about is the scent. I think it's because it has like, is it tangerine oil, tangerine butter, and I think that's what I'm smelling. It doesn't have a strong scent once it's dried, but just in the container, it has a strong scent. Almost kind of like when I first smelled it, it reminded me of like a man's cologne. So I wasn't too sold on the scent of this particular product. But once it dries, it doesn't really, you can't really smell it. So it's not like a deal breaker or anything. But I like to be honest when I tell y'all like my first initial thoughts on products. So scent is a big thing for some people. So I did want to tell y'all that. Yeah, I think it's probably the tangerine butter that I'm smelling. And I mean, it's an okay scent, but it's not it's just the first thing I thought of when I smelled it was a men's cologne. So anyway, let's do like a recap. Overall, a very solid collection, a very solid lineup. The co-wash, amazing. You'll love it. Like it's probably one of the best co-washes that I've ever used, because I'm not really a co-wash girl. I'm a shampoo girl all day. I don't really use co-wash, but like I said, I've been using it every day, well, every wash day since I got it, and it's almost gone. So that should tell you a lot about what I think about the co-wash. It's actually pretty dope. The body butter smells amazing. I mean, it's a body butter. It keeps you very moisturized and hydrated. Only thing, like I said, the consistency, it's not, it's somewhat difficult to get it to a point where you can rub it or apply it to your hair. I haven't used it on my body yet, so I can't speak on it. And the curling custard, the results, I feel like they speak for themselves. I'll definitely be using this for my my twist outs moving forward, because I have been looking for a styling product. And shoot, because I need to show y'all a picture of what my last twist out looked like, because it was trash. So all in all, I give Creole Belle Organics, I almost say a 9 out of 10, because the co-wash, bomb. Curling custard, bomb. Body butter, bomb. It's all great. Most of the things that I think I had a slight issue with is really just personal preference. I don't even really think it's like a negative. It's just I wanted to, let y'all know what I thought. So anyway, I feel like I'm getting long-winded. So once again, Macy from Berry Curling and Creole Belle Organics, thank you for sending me these products. And you guys make sure you check out Berry Curly and check out Creole Belle Organics, because it's a really solid line, really good ingredients, and really good results. So let me go, because I think Briley is about to wake up. So until next time, bye guys.